feel like I'm just
Say it. I'm
no, I'm not singing. I'm just hey guys, they already know my name is Thais. Yeah, you guys know me. Username, whatever you need to my real name. I don't have a song to sing because I don't really think of anything, so just give me a song request or anything and I'll sing it later. And I'll get back to you and I'll try singing it. It can only be a girl though, or just a me or something who sings high anyway, like a girl. So yeah, subscribe. Don't rate this, it sucks. Could view, whatever, I don't care. Comment.
Do you think she's cute? If you rate to see if you think she is okay.
Okay, and I'm just giving you a song request. And yeah,
okay, sing Amazing Grace.
No, I'm singing in the next freaking video.
Okay,
I'm crazy right now. See you. Bye.